News now from Hyderabad, and there was a flare-up at the IIT campus in Hyderabad. 2,400 migrant workers attacked the police in Sangareddy. Now, this is on the outskirts. Let's go across to Uma Sudhir for more on this story. And Uma, these workers were employed by IIT Hyderabad. They were working there and clearly very angry with the arrangements that were made.
Gargi, there are about 2,600 workers at the construction site that is right next to IIT Kandi, IIT campus in Hyderabad. And right next to that, this is of course part of the IIT thing, and they were constructing a building for the same IIT campus. But they are employed, they are contract workers of in fact Shapoorji and also L&T. So these are contract workers of L&T, the construction company, and also Shapoorji. And for the last few months, these people have been here, and their demands have been that they want to go back home. They are kind of restless. They are being fed and accommodation is being given, but they complain that their salary in fact was not given. As you know, both the central and the state governments have said that all construction companies, all contractors who have brought in labor must pay the salary for the month of March and April as well. But these workers were not paid apparently, and this morning what we are being told is that these people were in fact given permission by the state government to resume their construction operations on this campus, where about 2,400 of these workers were there. None of their families is there. They are all men who are employed as construction labor there. They're coming from Bihar, MP and other places. And when these the contractors and the people who wanted to get the work resumed at the site came to that place, they were attacked by these workers, saying that you're not, one, giving us our salary, and two, we are in no mood to work. We want to go back home, and why don't you let us go back home? And that's when, in fact, the police came in and they started, in fact, trying to pacify these people. There was stone throwing as well. One SI was injured, and one vehicle of the police, in fact, was damaged badly. A case has been booked against unknown persons as of now. Police not wanting to take a very stern view, but the restlessness of the workers certainly very, very apparent. The SP of Sangareddy district told me that they had spoken to these people and told them that even if we let you go, your own home states may not let you come in, and therefore please have patience. Now they have also been promised that their salary for the month of March will be paid, and that is likely to happen by tomorrow, and that could possibly pacify these migrant workers. Back to you.